What's going on, YouTube universe? It's me, TooMuchGearGuy here, and today we're gonna do a little unboxing of the Flextail tiny shower bucket. This thing is 20 liters, aka 5 gallons. As you can see here, I got the remote control. Almost Flextail. Almost. Oh, there you go. Remote control. Gotcha. Almost. But yep, it does come with an optional remote control. It has a 2 meter distance for control. It's 0.7 ounces, and yeah, comes with this fancy little magnetic clip here, and then it has a rubber strap on the back, which you could use to hang on, I don't know, a tent pole, tarp pole, something along those lines. And honestly, not a bad feature. I don't know, think of yourself in like a little privacy shelter or tent, shower tent, and instead of having to reach out to the pump on the bag itself, you just have this little remote to start and stop the shower. I think that's a pretty cool feature. Alright, easy instructions: fill with water, sit on a stable surface, click in the thing, turn on the pump, hold the power button, and you got a couple modes: low mode, high mode, standby, and then of course the indicator battery light shows you charging status and capacity. Here is the what comes inside. So we have a temperature sticker, so you can put on the bag if you want to know how warm the water is. Might have to test that out, see how well it works. But cool, I like it. You have your directions, then you have these two little gaskets, extra gaskets to repair, I guess, if something malfunctions, and then a USB-C cable. Then you have your tiny shower head here. So it's got a pretty much a click and lock system, a little screw on bolt here to keep the hose in place in case you have to change it out. At least that's easy. Got a little hook here. This will allow you to hook onto a anywhere, if as long as there's a hook there. If you ever seen the privacy shelters, usually they have the hanging hooks in there, so you hang your shower. Now to twist and lock there, so you can turn it clockwise, I think it is, to turn on the shower, and counterclockwise to turn it off. So if you don't have the remote, this is another way to start and stop the shower. Same thing on that side with the twist lock. Keep the hose in place as well. Fairly long, so you should have plenty of hose there to move around, get all the lovely places washed off. The bag itself, 30.3 ounces, aka 860 grams. You have the pump itself and port for the charging. Now that's where you'll hit the power button, press and hold to turn it on. Then you have your three functions. You actually have a locking valve, so make sure you switch that to on and off as needed. If it is on and there's nothing attached, that water will leak out. Some other quick facts: the battery is 2500 milliamp. You could take 5 14-minute showers or 5 7-minute showers, depending on the flow rate you select. The fill port itself is 8.5 centimeters, so plenty of room for a hose or just a faucet. The hose length itself is actually 7.2 feet. Um, IPX7 waterproof rating. Some really heavy duty handles there to hold that weight, that all that water. Little twist lock inlet there. Reminds me of a camelback. Some other interesting facts: you could do 5 showers on one full charge. You could wash 420 coffee cups, and you could do 30 bicycle washes all off of one charge. Interesting facts. And another option is to buy the faucet attachment. So instead of like a shower, you can sit it on a table and attach the faucet and use it like a sink faucet, and just wash dishes or fill up items with that. But yeah, sold separately. I'll share that on a video when I put this to use. You'll be able to see that faucet for sure. You can see it just locks into place there. Pretty simple. Um, yeah, overall, excited to use it. Not sure about the stability to stand it up. There are two versions. This is the bucket version, and you have a hanging version. So, be interested to see how that works. But I'll be putting this to use shortly. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Again, this is the Flextail Tiny Bucket Shower, aka use it for whatever you want. And yeah, be putting it to use here probably this weekend. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.